Okay, now we've done a little bit of an introduction into the study. What exactly is IQ? So IQ stands for intelligence quotient. And I'm sure you've heard of IQ as a measure of intelligence, but there are a few key questions that we have to ask when we think about IQ. What makes a person more intelligent than another person? Can the entire distribution of human intelligence be accounted for by one single factor? And is the whole idea of intelligence, or being clever, supported by a single neural system, so a single system in the brain? Intelligence is one of the most controversial areas of study in psychology, which is very important to note as well. And we can see this here. Definitions of IQ have changed and developed over time as well. So back when Einstein was researching, he defined intelligence as not knowledge, but imagination. A different researcher, Torvalds, then defined intelligence as the ability to avoid doing work, yet getting work done. Much more recently, a researcher called Deary in 2001, who is one of the, or thought of as one of the greatest pioneers in intelligence research, said he defined intelligence as refusing to be halted by demands for an exact meaning-style definition, deciding that there was a sufficient corpus of research findings to be described and explained. So he was basically saying that it's impossible to define intelligence in one way, and that intelligence encompasses a number of different things. And we'll come on to this later. So there are different types of intelligence. Rewinding slightly back, this was one of the main definitions or agreed definitions of intelligence that researchers agreed upon for a while. And this was from Gottfredson, who was a psychologist in 1994. And it was supported by 52 researchers in the field of individual differences and intelligence. He defined it as a very general mental capability that, among other things, involves the ability to reason, plan, solve problems, think abstractly, comprehend complex ideas, learn quickly, and learn from experience. So lots and lots of things to unpack there. He also said it reflects a broader and deeper capability for comprehending or understanding our surroundings, catching on, making sense of things, or figuring out what to do. So here is his definition in full form again. And you'll notice there are so many sort of aspects that he touches on in his definition: problem solving, abstract thinking, complex idea, understanding, quick learning, etc., etc. And although Gottfredson's definition was initially met by a lot of support from the psychological research community, it has now been sort of criticized for being quite vague and not really capturing the essence of what intelligence really is. It's also worth noting that IQ, or intelligence quotient, is a single measure of intelligence, and that, as you can see here in blue, I've noted other types of intelligence have now been defined and exist, and these include emotional intelligence, or EQ, and social intelligence, SQ.